Hey guys, welcome back to one more video. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. Welcome back to one more of Hyperpix videos. I'm so glad to be back with one more text effect, which is such an attractive chrome text effect with a combination of gold, which like all of our products working with it is so easy and simple, which doesn't need any special knowledge of Photoshop. All you need to do is to just download this product and follow me to the end of this video, just step by step, so you get to the exact result you desire. So to download this product, don't forget hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership to access this product and also every other product you see. Also, every week we're going to surprise you with so many new updates. So this text effect works on every single logo and every other language, so don't worry about anything. This is an example of how it works on Japanese. As you see, it doesn't have any difference with Latin or English. So if you want to use any other languages, don't worry about a thing. It's going to look great. So to get started, we just right click on this yellow layer and select edit content. In this window which appears right here, we have two texts, which you can just use one or just go with both. I'm going to edit both texts. I'll start from the first text. I'm going to just type Chrome, and the same thing with the second text. We just type and enter. So to not take the time in the video, I'm not going to edit the font. I'm just going to use the default one, but you're totally free to customize and go with any font you like and make different changes. So I'm just going to close and click save, and here our result appears. As you see, just with a single click, this text turned into this brilliant style. Everything was applied automatically and we didn't have any trouble to make these changes, and the result is fantastic. So you can switch off the background groups and also the sparkle group and have this amazing transparent, which allows you to get a PNG outcome and drag the result onto all your different projects, which I think it's absolutely super and perfect. So let's get started. We have the backgrounds, which we can edit them easily. We have one more default background, which is a super realistic blue cloudy sky, which I think is pretty. You can use any other image you like or just a solid color, as you see. So we have the effects folder, which I suggest you to ignore it because it contains the main complications and the main styles. So it's better if you just ignore it. So we have the sparkles group, which you can just select these sparkles one by one and place them on every part of your text which you like. Just check out the result. So now I'm going to just try this style on a logo, and we're going to see how easy it is. So I'll come back to this window right here and I'm going to insert my logo into Photoshop. So I just drag my logo right here, drop it here and drag, and done. I'm going to use this channel logo. We don't need these texts anymore, we'll just remove them, place our logo in its right place. I think it's fantastic right here. Just close and hit save, and done. And as you see, this is our magnificent result, which we got to just with a single click. This fantastic chrome effect is brilliant. I'm going to edit the background. We just select the backgrounds group, and I'm going to insert this image from my album right here, insert right here and drop. And as you see, our background is also inserted. I could just drag this effect folder towards right a little so we can be witness of our brilliant design. So also, if you place the sparkles in a right place, they can have a very huge effect. Just check out this light reflection. So don't forget to customize. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. To download this product and all the other similar Chrome products and all of our other collections in Hyperpix, just refer to the link in the description, get the VIP membership and access our complete album and gallery of products and also our weekly updates. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe our YouTube channel and also share us with your friends. Bye till one more video.